So I'm on my way to NAPA. We're almost there. I'm gonna be picking up my NGK spark plugs. NGK spark plugs, which is probably the best I've used. What else? And then I'm gonna be heading out to AUTOZONE to replace these right here. It's a cap and rotor and the spark plug wires, which I have lifetime warranty on. And yeah, pretty much right now. And then wait for like an hour and a half, and then wait for the rotors to get done. They're currently getting. Alright, you guys. So these are the spark plugs I got. The NGK Platinum ones. I guess they have the Platinum ones and the regular ones, which was only like $1 difference. I was like, fuck, you might as well get the Platinum ones, you know. Obviously 4 come in the box. Total was about 33, so I mean, not that bad. So now it's time to take those and then get them exchanged for the new ones. Alright, let's go. Alright, you guys, so this is basically what I'm gonna be using. As you guys know, the NGK spark plugs. I got my new cap and rotor, new spark plug wires, and then I'm actually gonna head out to the shop right now, see if they're done with my rotors. Hopefully. It's been like an hour and a half, almost 2. So let's go to the shop, see what's up, get everything started. That's how they look. Came out pretty good. Should last me for quite a bit longer now. The only thing that I am gonna change is the brake calipers. I don't know if you can see, but they're actually shot. This thing is like completely ripped off. They're just old in general, from '95. So I'm gonna be taking those off right now. The other one as well. And gonna be trading them in and getting new ones. So not exactly trading them in, but you know, buy new ones. But yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start taking that off, and then once I go to the store again, then I'll start putting everything back together.
Lately inspired. Fight.
Brake pads that I purchased. This time I went with the gold ones, probably the best ones. I got tired of using cheap ass brake pads, man. So much dust. It's ridiculous. So I went with these. Running about like 35 bucks for all 4. Should be worth it. Hopefully it's a little different than the other ones. Not as much dust, but we'll see. So these are the brake calipers, brand new. Spent about 98 bucks flat for these at NAPA. That's with trading in the old ones, so I had to take in my old ones. It still was about 98 for both of these. If I didn't take them in, it would have been way more. You're looking at like 20 bucks each more. Yep, so my receipt, 98. Yep, so these are new ones. Let's go home and install them. Hey, check this out, guys. Before, after. Damn, that's crazy. I don't know what I was thinking. It was long overdue. All right, let's get started. just got back from the shop, and then the first time I went to go buy some rear rotor seals, which are these, right? He ended up giving me the wrong ones. I knew it. I knew they freaking looked like this, but he insisted. They were like, no, these are the ones, they fit this and that. And surely, you know, I got home and tried to fit them, and nope. So I had to go back and then get these and get the right ones. So let's get started. Well, not quite. I still have to put brake fluid and then try them out. Hopefully there's no leaks. But now that that's done, let's change the spark plugs and then put the cap and rotor on, and hopefully everything goes good. Let's see, I already put in the organize them, you know, after all that, after I'm completely done. The truck is sitting down, but it's done. Have been rotoring. The rotors are done. The calipers are in. So now what I need to do is bleed the brakes. I have my little brother help me, but bleed the brakes. Once I'm done, see if everything goes good. Alright, what's going on, you guys? So quick story. I actually ended up finishing the truck, but I got some bad news. It's not bad. Okay, so put the brake, the rotors back on, the brake pads, and then the caliper. And then I bled it, and then I put some more brake fluid in there. But the thing is that it wasn't grabbing. The brakes weren't grabbing like at all. I was like, damn, you know. So I called my pops. I was like, hey, you know what's going on? This and that. I bled the brakes, you know. So we just went with maybe the master cylinder was messed up. So I actually changed it, and then bought a new one. I still had the original one from Ford, which is like 24 years old. So I was kind of like iffy about it. I was like, you know, maybe it does need to be changed, maybe it doesn't, but whatever, I'll just change it. So I changed it, and I bled it manually, and then I put it on, bled it again, or did that, bled the brakes one by one, and nothing. It just doesn't grab the brakes at all. So yeah, it's been sitting for like a week already. And since that was my daily, I had to buy another car. I bought a 97 Maxima. So I have to find out someone that actually knows how to work on those trucks that will actually be able to help me. Or unless you guys actually know or could like help me out, try to figure out what's going on. Like I said, I bled the master cylinder manually, and then I bled the brakes one by one. Nothing, man. I don't know what's going on. So like I said, I already bought a new car, so I'm gonna be taking the whole truck apart, and actually I'm actually gonna paint it. So hope you guys are ready for that. Take it apart, sand everything down. The thing that I'm not gonna do is I'm not gonna hire someone to do body work on the truck. I'm actually just gonna buy the fenders. The thing is that I need the two front fenders. I want to buy a new hood. I'm gonna make a new custom hood, and a new bumper, a new tailgate, a new bed for sure, because I cut it all fucked up. So a new bed, a new tailgate, fenders. The doors, I'm gonna have to get those actually fixed by someone. Bumper, I already said bumper, hood, I already said that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard, see if I can find a good one. If not, then try to find a truck on off-road that's for part out. Try to get parts from that truck. If not, then just buy them online. Since the whole truck is gonna be stripped down, might as well buy new parts instead of try to get them fixed. And then paint it, maybe modify the engine a little bit, maybe. But besides that, bag it. Ooh, you guys aren't ready for that. I'm gonna bag the truck. I already know what kind of system I'm gonna go with, what kind of airbags. So I think first paint it, maybe bag it first. That'll probably be smart, and then paint it. But let's see what happens. I'm just thankful I have another car now, so I'm able to finish the truck, because you can't daily a project car, project truck. That's the only thing bad thing about it. But yeah, I hope you guys are ready.